Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and I'm coming here today with some incredible news. So many of you have been waiting so long for the next Royal Caribbean deployment, and now we know exactly when it's going to be. Now the critical part of this is that you let us know today, immediately, exactly what it is that you're looking for. There is so much pent-up demand for all the different Sky Class, the Star Class suites. They're gonna go in a matter of days. And the way it works with us, right down below, you click on our contact form, you're gonna let us know exactly what it is that you're looking for. You're looking for the Royal Loft Suite on the Symphony of the Seas, maybe the incredible Owner's Loft Suite on the Odyssey of the Seas, which is where we are right now. If you wanna go on the Flow Rider, you wanna go skydiving, maybe bumper cars, zip lines, miniature golf, whatever it is that you dream about in the Caribbean, Royal Caribbean is, of course, the leader in the industry. But the most important thing is that you get ahead of it. So you're gonna let us know exactly what it is you're looking for. We're gonna reach out right before the deployment comes out, and we're gonna grab that space immediately. We'll do our very best to get exactly what it is you're looking for. And all of you know, those top suites generally go in a matter of minutes or hours. So our advisors are here, ready, waiting to assist you. We're gonna connect you with an individual who is an expert in exactly what it is that you're looking for. We're gonna grab that space, guide you through the process, get it all set up with you, whether you're gonna have a genie, coastal kitchen, any of the suite level amenities. We are your Royal experts. We can't wait to book the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, so your Royal Caribbean dream vacation can become a reality.